In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Spotify subscription on Roku. Step 1 is to check the subscription billing source. Go to my.roku.com/subscriptions to see if Spotify is billed through Roku. If yes, you can manage your cancellation there. If no, you need to cancel your Spotify via the Spotify website directly. Step 2, cancel via Roku if billed through Roku. Log in at my.roku.com, then go to manage your subscriptions, then select Spotify and click cancel subscription or turn off auto renew and then confirm. Step 3, cancel via Spotify website if billed through that directly. Visit spotify.com/account, log in and go to your account page, then select cancel premium under your plan and follow prompts. Step 4, sign out on Roku device. Open the Spotify app on Roku, go to settings and then sign out to disconnect your account from the Roku device. Now some tips for you. Removing the Spotify app does not cancel billing. If device keeps logging back in, unlink Roku device from your Spotify account line and you can contact Spotify or Roku support for any unresolved issues. And that is how you cancel your Spotify subscription on Roku. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Subscribe.